So what about the filters? That's pretty similar. The has filter is similar as the has action, and we just check if something has been registered or not. The only difference is this. So everything else is the same. I mean, really everything is, so the current filter is if you're on the current filter and something like that. Let's see the current filter. So if something is in action, and we retrieve the name of it. The only thing here is the apply filters. So that's actually as the do action, this is apply filters. So how we can do that? Let's now go again here in our post and see if we have any apply filters. Unique post slug. So also the filters can be seen mostly in some at the end of the functions, although they can be also seen elsewhere. And so it's, for this example, it's a bit harder to find a nice filter which I can show you immediately, but let's see the post title, maybe. No, but if we go to get post, and let's find the function get post or get posts. So we have all the arguments. When we are using the get posts, we retrieve a list of posts, and then you can probably find a nice filter here which we can then use. As you can see, they're using this instead of apply filters, but that's similar. And so we can also filter the whole SQL parts for the get posts. And there is also a simple one which I want to show you, and this is the function the content. And this function is doing what? So this function is actually the one that is being used when we, let's view the site. Okay, and let's now just check a post. So this is the content. If we look at our, let me just show you, if we look at our theme, which we'll still have to build, we have the title, but also if I use the function the content like this and refresh this page, we have the welcome to WordPress and etc, and we can do something with this. We can filter it, and let's do just that. We go to functions here, and then also before we do that, let's check. In the apply filters we have only one variable passed, so we don't have to set any number of arguments you want, since we will always return this one. So we can create an add filter, the content, and then filter the content function, and then just say this. And also when it comes to filters, we always have to return the data, so be sure to set the return content. Or if you are going to use something else, such as we can create something like this is my new content, and we save it. If you go here and refresh, this is my new content. We can also always check if this is single one, so if we are on one post or if we are on something else, we want to be sure that the content we are checking in this will not remove the other content. And also, how do they place the social icons after the article? It's pretty easy. With the content, we don't have to set a new content, we can concatenate. So we will add something else, and let's say here is the social media part, and this would be a button or something like that, and we save it, and you can see. So that's how. And I hope you understand it well, because now we have learned the actions and the filters, and we can go and start developing.